Creating candles at home can be a creative and satisfying activity. Here is a basic guide on how to make candles at home. Materials and tools: wax. Various types of wax can be used, such as paraffin wax, beeswax, or soy wax. For beginners, soy wax is often the easiest to handle. Wicks. They are available in different sizes and materials. Cotton or wooden wicks are common. Dye. Optional, to give the wax color. Special wax dyes or candle crayons can be used. Fragrance oils. Optional, for aromatic candles. Containers or molds, for shaping the candles, such as glass jars, silicone molds, or metal molds. Thermometer, for monitoring water temperature. Wax melter, a double boiler system, such as a bowl over a pot of hot water or a special wax melter. Stirring tool, for mixing wax, colors, and fragrances. Safety measures, gloves and old newspapers or cloths to protect your workspace. Candle making instructions: 1. Preparation: prepare workspace. Protect your workspace and ensure the room is well ventilated. Prepare mold or container. Place the wick in the center of the mold or container. This can be done by securing the wick with a dab of adhesive or a special wick holder. 2. Melting wax. Melt wax. Cut the wax into small pieces and melt it in the wax melter or a heat-resistant bowl over a pot of hot water, double boiler. Make sure no water enters the wax. Monitor temperature. The wax should be melted to about 75 to 85 degrees Celsius, depending on the type of wax. Overheating can damage the wax. 3. Adding color and fragrance coloring. If you want to color your candle, add wax dye or crayons to the melted wax. Stir thoroughly until the color is evenly distributed. Adding fragrance. If you are using fragrance oils, add them to the melted wax. The amount depends on the desired scent strength, typically about 5 to 10% of the wax weight. 4. Pouring. Carefully pour the melted wax into the prepared molds or containers. Make sure the wick remains centered and does not shift. Let cool. Allow the candles to cool and harden at room temperature. This can take several hours. Avoid moving the candles until the wax is completely set. 5. Trimming the wick and finishing the candles. Trim wick. Once the wax is fully cooled and hardened, trim the wick to about 0.5 to 1 centimeter above the candle surface. Remove from mold. If you used a mold, you can gently release the candle. This step is not necessary for candles in glass containers.